This is Wayne Williams. My buddy Scott Panestri has Streamline RC. You guys probably saw it on Facebook and LinkedIn and every other place I tried to promote this boat. Friends of mine thought that this was a full-size jet boat and thought I was trying to encourage their husbands to get into full-size jet boating, but I'm not. I'm not going to show the inside of this. You can see a lot of links on it. This is my first unboxed boat. It's ready to go. Beautiful jet boat, and I'm going to go ahead and give it a try. First time out of the box. Finally got it set up, got the batteries charged, learned a lot going through that. I have 3 other boats that I'm going to be having out here on Liberty Lake so that we can give a chance to do this with the kids and watch us here in Liberty Lake. So here it goes. Haven't done this yet. So now we got the jet going and I'm going to start steering. Haven't done it yet, kind of slow, but I was told to do this just to make sure I got all the steering controls going. Check that out. Turns really fast. Shallow water. Let's see how fast we can get it to go out. And we'll bring her back in and then we'll turn the video off. All jet, no prop. Okay, anyway, there it is right there, the Thrasher boat. Had a good little test ride, ton of fun right now. Thanks, Scott. Hope everybody else is enjoying the ones that have received all their July deliveries of the Thrasher boat by Streamline RC.